Hi everyone, it's Denise from Denise Rich's Art and Design. For this fire pit area, I wanted to create some low tables to go with the Adirondack chairs. So I started with some plant stands that I thrifted, and I have a second one just like this blue one that I have already made over. I started by removing the labels and giving them a little bit of sanding to scuff them up a bit. I also picked up this vanity stool at the thrift store, which is the perfect height for a little table. I removed the existing top and plan to use these wood rounds as the top of all the tables. So a little more sanding, and then it's a coat of paint for everything. I gave all of the tables several coats of Rust-Oleum satin black spray paint, and then finished it off with Weather Defense sealer. I stained all of the tabletops with a pecan color stain. Sealed them with a matte polyurethane. Here I'm marking and drilling some pilot holes for the screws. I'm going to be attaching these tabletops with screws from underneath. And this is the second table that I had already refinished. It was already black, and I'm putting the top on it. And now the same thing for the vanity stool, drilling some pilot holes to attach it. And here's the last plant stand. I used cable clamps to attach the base to the top. Here are all 4 tables complete. I think they turned out perfect for what I needed them for. What do you think? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.